Hi, this is Extend Office. Have you ever tried to convert numbers into currency words in Excel? In this video, you will learn 2 easy ways to spell out amounts as dollars and cents, or convert them into other languages and currency formats. In this example, the first amount I want to convert is in cell A2. Select the result cell, enter the formula shown on the screen, and press enter. Voila, the amount is now displayed in English currency words. Next, drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the rest of the cells. Now let's quickly see how the formula works. First, the BAHTTEXT function converts the number into Thai currency words. So, if you only need Thai currency words, you can use this part of the formula on its own. Next, the translate function translates the Thai text into English. Then, the substitute functions replace the Thai currency units with dollars and cents. The proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word. Finally, the if function removes the period at the end, if there is one. Since this is a formula, the result updates automatically whenever the original value changes. In this example, the formula converts amounts into English currency words. To convert numbers into other languages or currency formats, check the related tutorial in the video description. If the formula is too difficult to remember, or you prefer a simple interface, you can use Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools, first, select the cells containing the numbers. Go to the Kutools tab. Click Content. Then select Numbers to Words. In the dialog box, you can see that Kutools supports dozens of currencies. Choose the currency you need. To convert the numbers into regular words instead of currency words, select the option labeled Not Converted to Currency. Click OK. Kutools immediately converts all the selected numbers into currency words. This method requires no complex formulas and is especially useful for invoices, checks, financial reports, and other documents containing many currency amounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.